Sales has changed more in the last 5 years than it has in the last 500. What's changed is who has all of the information and who has all of the power. In the past, it was the salesperson who had all of the information, and by default, that salesperson had all of the power. You as a customer knew very little about the solutions that you were looking for. So you had to reach out to that salesperson and they were able to tell you about the features and the benefits. Sound familiar? Here's the features and the benefits of our product. Well, what's changed? In the last 5 years, we've had a growth on the internet of information. There is 250 times more information on any product, on your product, on every product than there was even 24 months ago. Today, your customer has access to all of the information they would ever want on your product, on its features, on its benefits. In some cases, they may even be more educated than you. So what's changed? Your buyer now has the power. They've got all of the information. And because of the internet, they have more choices. In the past, buyer had very little information and they had even fewer choices. They were at your mercy. Today, they've got tons of information and tons of choices. Now, how can you use all of this to your advantage? Here's what your buyer doesn't have. They don't have a consultant that understands the sales process is scary, that understands that making a decision is difficult, that's got a system that's going to help get that person the information that they need, that's going to help them make a decision on their terms, that's going to work with them as a trusted advisor to help make sense of this sale. Sales has changed. Unfortunately for your competition, they're still talking about features and benefits. I'm going to show you how to help your buyer make sense of their decision. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm going to walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm going to show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm going to show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm going to show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is going to make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm going to show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.